Hey everybody, welcome to the Midnight Search. Have you ever felt so low in confidence? Have you ever wondered if you're not good enough? Worry no more. Today, we are going to discuss 8 ways of boosting your self-confidence. Make sure to toss a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content on relationship and mental health. There's no one on earth that's born with endless self-confidence. If you see anyone that seems to exude lots of self-confidence, it's probably because that person has worked on themselves in the past. Self-confidence is something that you can actually learn to build and exude, given the right guidance. Today, I'm going to teach you 8 ways you can boost your self-confidence. Let's get started. The first way you can boost your self-confidence is to visualize yourself as you want. There's a quote that says, "What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." That's exactly what it is. If you see yourself as a confident, proud person, then that's exactly what you will be. Most times when we struggle with low self-confidence or self-esteem, it's because we see ourselves as a nobody, as a failure. Stop having a low perception of yourself and you will start getting confident as the day breaks. The second way is to affirm yourself. Again, another quote by Nikki Carnival says, "Affirmations are a powerful tool to deliberately install desired beliefs about yourself." Just like the first point, we often behave the way we see ourselves. Affirmations are positive, mood-lifting statements and utterances we make on ourselves. They're generally more effective when you say them out loud and can hear yourself saying them. A good example is, if you hate how you look generally, you can start changing that mentality with positive affirmations. How? When next you stand in front of a mirror, tell yourself how good you look. Tell yourself you're perfect and awesome. Our brain works exactly how we want it, and when you believe you're good at a particular thing, then you are. The third way to boost your self-confidence is to question your inner critic. It's obvious you've been criticizing yourself over the past few years, but has it worked? Have you noticed any change? Why not try approving yourself for a change? Most times, the harshest comments we get come from the ones we tell ourselves, our inner critic. There's every possibility your inner critic is responsible for your low self-confidence. What you may not know is you can fight your inner critic. You can disprove its theories about you with laid out facts and evidence. Always be on the lookout for evidence to show that you're not what your inner critic makes you out to be. For instance, if your inner critic believes you're a failure, let it know that you're not by presenting the evidence that you tried your best in a particular endeavor, even though you failed in the end. This will boost your self-confidence a lot. Also, try to congratulate and reward yourself whenever you get the chance. The fourth way is to help others. When you're struggling with low self-confidence, try lending a helping hand to people. When you help others, you tend to forget about yourself and feel nothing but grateful for what you have. There's this boost that comes from the simple thank you someone says when you help them. Volunteer to help or assist others instead of focusing on your perceived weakness, and you will see your self-confidence grow massively. The fifth way is to actually care for yourself. Caring for yourself is never a selfish act. You're only taking care of the person you are because no one else will do so. Self-confidence usually comes from a good combination of your physical, emotional, and social health. You can't feel good about yourself if you hate how you talk. You can't exude confidence if you don't like your physique. Focus on yourself. Eat well, drink water, exercise, and get enough sleep. Also, try to dress in a very attractive way. You won't be confident if you don't dress well. The sixth way you can boost your self-confidence is to set goals that are realistic. Setting goals that you can achieve go a long way in making you proud of yourself. Imagine you're struggling academically and you go and set goals of achieving straight A's. You won't be happy in the end, will you? Realistically, you will get A's, but you will need to be exceptional before you can get straight A's. This result definitely won't boost your confidence at all. So what if you set goals to get at least a B in all your subjects? Now that's a very realistic goal, and you will definitely increase in confidence when you achieve them. Setting reasonable goals often improves our self-confidence whether we believe it or not. The same way you set goals for your academics, you can also set goals for your social life. Don't expect everyone to like you while you try your best to be nicer to everyone. Achieving these goals will make you way more self-confident. The seventh way is to avoid negative talks. Negativity can come in many forms and from many places. If you allow these negativities, they are sure to damage your self-confidence. Negative talks are things that should be ignored by all means. It's a good idea to tell yourself that these negative talks are not the truth and must be overlooked. Instead of listening to these negative utterances, pay more attention to the positive ones. Encourage yourself and you will see your self-confidence soar. Don't ever let anything deter you from enjoying the beauties of life. Don't let anyone's talk keep you from enjoying any success you achieve. When people tell you you were able to achieve success because it was too easy, tell them it's fine. Tell them others tried the same thing and failed woefully. Hence, you have every right to be pleased with how well you've done. The eighth way you can boost your self-confidence is to take risks. One more way you can boost your self-confidence is to leave your comfort zone sometimes. Leaving your comfort zone to take risks will do your confidence a world of good. I don't mean you should take all kinds of risks. I mean positive risks, not going to gamble away your time. When you overcome the hurdles presented by these risky ventures, you get even more self-confident. I'm sure you must have taken a risk on things you didn't have any other option than to take risks on before. Didn't it feel good when you scaled through? Going ahead to show that you don't fear failure is a huge confidence booster, and you can achieve this by taking positive risks sometimes. Aside from the fact that you get even more self-confidence when you scale through these risky ventures, you also get rewarded by succeeding. And there you have it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on relationships and mental health matters and much more. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.